At St. Mary's International College, this day was more than a celebration. It was a tribute. From prayers at the altar to cheers on the field, our teachers showed that passion doesn't end in the classroom. It shines in every smile, every goal, and every dance. Their dedication inspires futures, shapes dreams, and builds leaders. From the calm of the chapel, the celebration moved to the fields, where excitement and friendly rivalry took center stage. Teachers of St. Mary's International College faced off against the university students of St. Mary's University Institute in an unforgettable football match. Before the game kicked off, both teams joined their voices in the school anthem, a symbol of unity, pride, and shared spirit. The energy was electric, the tension high, yet the passion even higher. And when the final whistle blew, victory belonged to the teachers. Cheers erupted, smiles spread, and every moment reminded us that at St. Mary's, teamwork and spirit always wins.
Happy Teachers Day. I'm so grateful for my teachers and how they're always ready to help me and impart knowledge to me. Zurella, what about you?
Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. I thank you for being my teacher and teaching me some good education.
Yeah, we appreciate you guys.
The match today was really exciting and fun, and the teachers and the university students did a great job.
Yeah, the match was tough, but the teachers won against the students with 5-2. 5-2, yeah. And it was a really challenging match.
Teachers Day to all the staff members as well. I'm very grateful for a day like this, which was organized by the teachers and the staff. Unfortunately, we played a match today against the teachers and we lost. But despite the fact that we lost, we still enjoyed the moments. We still enjoyed the crucial part of the game that was played, and we still had fun with each other.
Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers around the world once more, and we're grateful for all of this. But the Proprietors Cup is coming up, and we will take care of that.
Happy Teachers Day once more to all the teachers. Like, the match was actually very interesting. I loved the match, it was good. But despite the fact that we lost 5-2, I'm always going to be happy for the teachers, and we had fun with each other. Happy Teachers Day once more to all the teachers around the world.
So my daughter, what do you think about the Teachers Day?
It was very nice. Happy Teachers Day, first of all. The mass was very nice. It was flowing. We praised God, and it was actually interesting.
The match that the teachers played against the students was amazing. It was tough, there was a lot of tension, it was exciting, and I loved it.
Happy Teachers Day. I'm so glad the teachers played today. The match was energetic and exciting to watch.
Happy Teachers Day. I wish all our teachers the best day ever. Richville, what do you think of the match of today?
The match of today was exciting and energetic, and I really loved it.